Hello, I'm Dominic from PDR Canada, and I'm here to show these two fellas, they're new at the trade, on why they should get used to swinging their hammer in the proper direction. I know a lot of people like to use the butt of their hammer for knockdowns and stuff like that. I highly recommend when you're a rookie, guys, that you really try to get used to using your hammer, and I'll show you why. Sometimes you might have a little high or a little flicker, and if you've been doing this all day, you won't have weighted your hammer and understood quite how it works. You could reach out and do some okay, so if you've been hammering down all day like this or with a paddle, then you're not quite understanding how your hammer works. Now, once you get into the industry and you're working, you're avidly repairing dents, and you want to try new knockdown techniques, I totally agree. You should start using the butt of your hammer and all kinds of things, but I highly recommend getting used to the weight of your hammer and using your hammer as it should be used.